Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Lexus windshield wipers. First, gather your tools. You'll need new wiper blades, a small towel to protect your windshield, and possibly a flathead screwdriver. Before you begin, confirm your new wiper blades are the correct size and type for your specific Lexus model. Finally, park your vehicle on a level surface, engage the parking brake, and turn off the engine for safety. Now, let's remove the old wiper blades. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright. Place your towel on the windshield to prevent damage if the arm accidentally snaps back. Next, find the small release tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab and slide the old wiper blade towards the base of the arm to disengage it, then carefully remove it. With the old blades removed, it's time to install the new ones. Align the new wiper blade with the attachment mechanism on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Double-check that it's firmly attached. Finally, gently lower the entire wiper arm back onto your Lexus's windshield. Repeat this process for the other wiper blade. After installation, test your new wipers. Turn on your Lexus and activate the wipers with windshield washer fluid. Observe them closely for smooth operation, ensuring they clear water effectively without streaks or unusual noises. If needed, gently adjust the arm tension. For optimal performance, clean your wiper blades monthly with a damp cloth. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Replace blades every 6 to 12 months for best visibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.